Here's a pro tip on upholstery cleaning. As you know, I've had some difficulties applying the foam to the upholstery. I want to get it on even and I don't want any overspray. So I discovered these microfiber gloves. They're smooth and they're a set of 2 for $7.95 on Amazon. I'll try and put a link in the description. But what you can do is you can use the foamer, the IK 1.5 foamer sprayer, fill a bucket with foam, then you just dip your gloves into the foam bucket. You get a nice even coat and apply it nice and smoothly to the upholstery before you begin to clean it. And this way you have no overspray from your sprayers on people's wood floors, etc. The end cap store, which I get 99% of everything I use from, has a mitt or a pad that you put your hand in, similar to an Iron Man bonnet, with a scrubbing strip on the top, or you can flip it over and it doesn't have the scrubbing strip, I believe, on the backside. But you can use this to pre-scrub the arms, the front, the legs, or if it's a recliner, the kick plate on the bottom. And also they sell these moon pads, which is like similar to the 3M scrubbing pad. It's made to pre-agitate the furniture. So these are some new tools that I'll be using. And you know me, I'm always looking for ways to improve the work and make things as simple as possible. I'm still going to be using the Orbital to clean with and my other microfiber pads as usual. In fact, here's another item that I picked up on Amazon. It's a hook and loop pad driver, 6-inch driver with a drill attachment. So I could actually use my cordless drill and the pads will attach to it and I could do my scrubbing with that if I don't want to use the Orbital. So there you go. That should make it very simple. It will apply the solution evenly, not blotchy. You won't get any overspray all over clients' floors. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. I know I'm going to be using these products soon and I'll feature them in my next video.